Let us begin. Ta-da-da-da.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Tada Dada Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with Tada Dada.
Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn to draw and paint a mobile cover. So you have to design your own mobile cover and it will be very interesting. To do that, first we have to keep your phone and take the measurement of your phone backside. So what I did is I taken this mark with the pencil and we're gonna do now the outline. So here we're gonna doing the outline. And now we have to divide this into the two vertical parts as well as the horizontal, and in that we want to draw a cat. For draw the cat, first here draw it's her face, which is round, and then there is a triangle which is the ears of the cat, and for that also you can add more small triangles in it. This is her body. Now we're gonna draw. And here will be a small tail. Let's do the eyes. Small triangle for the nose. And one big smile. So this is how we done with the drawing. Now we gonna do a coloring, a painting for it. So more interesting, we have to color these patches, individual patches with the different patch, and finally you will see the how good outlook it comes. And now here I'm going to use the orange color, which is the exactly opposite color of this blue. So it will give the contrast color scheme and nice vibrant colors. And same thing with the green. This is the red, which is the exactly opposite of the green. Here also we'll feel the same colors. For the ears also we're gonna give this pink color. And finally is the cat eyes. Wow, it's looking amazing. And let's just cut it and fit into the mobile case.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel Tada Dada Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!